Hello everyone. Today's explanation will be about insertion sort. What is insertion sort? Insertion sort is a sorting algorithm that sorts one data item at a time. So the algorithm takes one data item from the list and places it in the correct location in the list. This process is repeated until there are no more unsorted data items in the list. We are going to take an example on insertion sort. First, we have a list that contains 8 numbers. The position of every number is called index. We always start from number 0, so the index will be from 0 till 7. To sort the numbers, we must know the length of the list that it's written by len. So we take a variable that is called list length. It's equal to the length of the list, which is 8. So we put the 8 in the variable that is called list length. But we must be careful that the index is the position where the number stands on, and the length is the length for all the list that is 8 numbers. Now we will continue to the for loop to sort the numbers by comparing them. First, we have 4. Now we are writing the loop. We take the index 1, which is the position for number 5, to list length minus 1. We mean by 2 that's till the list length, that is 8 minus 1, that it's 7. We mean till we reach index 7. This is the last number. Now we are inside the loop. We put in value current, the list that is called a list. We open brackets and we put inside it the index. We said that the index now is 1. So the value for this list index is 5. So now 5 is inside the value current. Then we will have another value is called pose. We mean by it the position. We put in it the index that it's 1. So pose now is equal to 1. The loop will continue until we reach the index number 7, and then it stops. Then we will continue to the while loop to compare the numbers. In while, we have 2 conditions that must both be true to enter to the loop while, else the loop will end and return to loop 4. While pose is greater than 0, we mean by it that when the position that we said it's equal to 1 is 1 greater than 0, it's true. So we will move to the next condition. is and. The condition and requires us that both conditions must be true to enter the while loop. We have a list. We put in brackets the position. We said it's pos minus 1. We mean when a list variable that has the position, we said it's 1 minus 1, so it's 0. So we have now a list brackets 0. We mean by index 0, it contains number 9. Is 9 greater than the current that is 5? So it's true, so we enter the loop while.